What is the most selfish one letter word is? Wow, what an audience that is to tell me. The most selfish one letter word is I, isn't it? Everything's revolves around I. And what does I stand for? I stand for expectations. अपेक्षाएं, मेरी अपेक्षाएं, my expectations. My expectations, I should be treated like this. I should be loved like this. I should be dead like this. I should be respected like this. All expectations, अपेक्षाओं की ज़िंदगी जी रहे हैं हम सब. We are living a life of super high expectations, not just high. We are leading a life of super high expectations. God. The constantly life is only all everything revolves around my opinion, my desires, my likes, my dislikes. I like this, I don't like this, I hate this, I love this, I want this, I don't want this. I खुश रहेंगे? You think life will be a happy life? When it revolves around I. From our childhood, we have grown up like this. We only learn to take, and everyone has to fulfill my expectations. Everything has to be up to my expectation. When I was a child, I usually even eat if my mom did not cook what I asked for. You know, everything has to revolve around my expectation. One boy comes to a mother and say, "Mama, I love you." 5-year-old, 5 साल का बच्चा, "Mama, I love you." Mother said, "I love you too, beta." The guy grown up to 16 goes to mother and say, "Mama, I love you." बोल कितना पैसा चाहिए? बोल. He grows up to 25. "Mama, I love you." कौन है, किधर रहती है? बोल दे, हम करवा देंगे. He turns to be a 40. "Mama, I love you." बोला था ना शादी मत कर उससे. He turns to 60. "Mama, I love you." मैं किसी भी पेपर पे सिग्नेचर नहीं करने वाली. माँ है ना, सब जानती है. Everything is for me only. 16-year-old, my mother. 20-year-old, my girl. 40-year-old, my wife. 60-year-old, my properties. लाइफ ही ऐसी जी है हमने. अपेक्षाओं की ज़िंदगी जी रहे हैं हम सब. अपने ओपिनियंस को पकड़ कर बैठे हैं हम लोग. Do not ever keep the control of how you feel to someone else. Do not allow anyone to control you. Control your television remote, no problem. Your car can be remote controlled. Don't allow to anyone to control your emotion from there. हम लोग अपेक्षाएं करते हैं इस प्रकार का व्यवहार हमारे साथ होगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है तो हम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो जाते हैं. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, the most selfish one-letter word is I, which stand for expectations, and therefore avoid this word. How do you avoid this word? Be realistic in your expectations. अपेक्षाएं करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, but understand that not everyone will fulfill your expectations. याद रखिए कि हर कोई आपकी अपेक्षाएं पूरी नहीं करेगा. And secondly, avoid this word I by trying to serve other. You know why life? Because you want to serve. You are dependent on people. They may not serve you. When you want to serve, who can stop you? When you want respect, people may not respect you. When you want to give respect, who can stop you? When you want to be loved, you may not be loved. But when you give loved, who can stop you? And therefore, learn to begin your journey from I to you. The more you want for yourself, you remain frustrated, the more you want to give you will remains happy. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Stay safe.